Hello everyone. Lakshya Academy brings you one more video for civil service exam preparation. We all know syllabus of UPSC is very vast. Hence we cannot waste time reading unnecessary stuff. Even UPSC does not provide list of reference book with syllabus. There are many books available in the market for civil service exam preparation and it's too difficult to cover contents of lots of books in a limited period of time. Therefore, it is wise to stick to specific resource and revise their content rather referring to too many books and ending up with a lack of revision as well as confusion. In this video, we would discuss about the useful study material for civil service exam preparation. Before we discuss about study material in this video, we should keep in mind the fact that no book can make you civil servant. May reading these books will not help. Yes, it may assist you, it may guide you, but it is more important to know how to read these books, what exactly to read from these books. We would also try to discuss these points in this video. Friends, I would recommend that do not target preliminary exam and mains exam separately. No need to use different books of same subject for preliminary exam and mains exam. Target mains exam syllabus and you would realize that you won't need to study separately for preliminary examination. One more thing that you need to keep in mind that study material that I would suggest is not the ultimate. Yes, these all books are useful, but extent of usefulness of these books may differ from person to person. As some of you come from humanities, some may be from engineering, some may be medical graduate. I am suggesting you names of decent standard books. You have to adjust yourself with these books. One may feel the whole book useful for him, or one may feel only few pages useful of that book. Interact with these books according to your educational background. One more thing, whenever you read these books, always keep two things with you. One, syllabus of that subject, and at least last 4-5 years unsolved paper of that subject. These two things will guide you what exactly to read from these books, where emphasis should be laid on, whether particular topic demands analytical reading or general reading. These two things, that is syllabus and unsolved paper, will tell you. We can divide study material into two parts, that is temporary study material and permanent study material. Now, what is temporary study material? Temporary study material is a study material that you are to cover it from time to time. You cannot take a liberty to read it on any another day. What does it comprises of? Newspapers, monthly magazines and regular news. In permanent study material, we are to use NCERT textbooks and books of various publications. You must use one standard newspaper. If you are from Hindi medium, Janasatta, Navbharat Times, Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik Jagran are quality newspapers. I personally would recommend Dainik Jagran National Edition. If you are from English medium, you can use Indian Express, Times of India, The Hindu. With these newspapers, you will have to read one economic newspaper as well, especially for preparation of General Study Paper 3. For Hindi medium, you may use Business Standard, and for English, use either Business Standard or Economic Times. Next, you will have to use quality monthly magazines. Mind it, you need not to read the whole magazines, only cover important topics of those magazines. I'll suggest Civil Service Chronicle or Deccan Chronicle, or you may use Pratiyogita Darpan as well, available in both Hindi and English language. Again, you should not miss two more magazines, that is Yojana and Kurukshetra. It is must read magazines. I repeat, Yojana and Kurukshetra are must read magazines. With magazines and newspaper, you should listen All India Radio News daily, available in Hindi at 8:45 p.m. to 9 p.m. and in English from 9 p.m. to 9:50 p.m. Watch Doordarshan Discussion News as well, available in Hindi from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and in English from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now, permanent study material. NCERT textbooks are very useful. which NCERT to read. We have already discussed it in another video before. If you haven't seen it, you will find a window of that video at the end of this video. Kindly watch that video to get the subject wise NCERT book list. Now we will discuss about subject wise publication book list. For polity, for Indian polity, use M. Lakshmikant. Along with the NCERT, use M. Lakshmikant. For international relation, use International Relation in 21st Century by Pushpesh Pant. It is 300 pages book. Only 100 pages are useful. With help of unsolved paper, you have to find it out which part is important. For history, along with NCERT, use these two books, that is History of Modern India and India Since Independence, both book by Bipin Chandra. A NCERT 12th class book will cover the ancient and medieval part of India, and for modern India these two books, that is History of Modern India and India Since Independence by Bipin Chandra. For geography, you can totally rely upon NCERT textbook, and if you want any further assistance, you may use Geography of India by Majid Hussain. For economics, use Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. Along with this book, you are to use NCERT textbook, one economic newspaper, and one quality monthly magazine. For environment and ecology, use Majid Hussein's Environment and Ecology along with the NCERT textbooks. Nitin Singhania's Indian Art and Culture is useful for art and culture. It is 300 pages book. Only 60 to 70 pages are useful. With the help of unsolved paper, you have to find it out which 60-70 pages are useful or important. Cover part of internal security from Challenges to Internal Security of India by Ashok Kumar and Vipul. For ethics, integrity and aptitude, either use Arihant publication, Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, or Access Publications, Ethics, Integrity or Aptitude. For essay part, use A Book of Essay by Spectrum Publication. With this study material, you are to use economic survey, you are to read economic survey, read social welfare section of economic survey. That is also useful for civil service preparation. So let us have a quick look at all the study material that we discussed.